Hello, this is How To Bob, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change out a sump pump. You can see in this video right here that the sump pump is actually pumping, and it just continues to pump and pump. It won't ever stop. So if we look at it a little closer, you can see that the limit switch is stuck. Now I can rebuild the limit switch or replace the limit switch. I'm going to go ahead and replace the whole pump since this one's pretty old and it's probably due to be replaced. So I'm going to start out by unplugging the pump, and you can see there's a check valve right in here, and I'm going to remove this coupling right here, this little flexible coupling, and hopefully I'll be able to slide it out from underneath. So I grab the pump and gently tilt out on the pump, and out comes my pipe. Now I'm going to pull the pump out of the sump there and lay it on its side so I can get a good grip on it, and I'm going to loosen up the pipe that goes into the pump. And once I've used the channel locks to get my pipe loose, I can go ahead and set the pump up and loosen the rest by hand. And then I'm going to clean the threads up and apply a coating of thread sealant. So I'll mix it up and I'll go ahead and just coat the threads thoroughly with my thread sealant here before I put it back on the new pump. I was fortunate enough to find the same exact pump, so putting it back together would be fairly easy. I just screw my pipe back on by hand and then tighten it down with my channel locks. And once I get that tightened up all the way, I don't want to go too tight, I can set my pump back into the sump. And what I'm going to do is set it closer to the center because I have to come in at an angle so that my pipe will fit up into the flexible fitting. And once I get that pipe up in the fitting, I want to move the pump over to the side of the sump so that it pushes the pipe up into the fitting, and then I can use my screwdriver and tighten it up and make sure that's good and tight. And then we're going to run some water in the sump until it fills up. And you can see this limit switch here, or float switch, works pretty good, so I'm going to run some water in here and fill it up, and once it gets up to the right level, I'll go ahead and plug it in. And you can see that it's running and everything appears to be working correctly. So this is how you replace a sump pump. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.